Welcome to Math Tutor channel. This channel contains videos for NCERT mathematics from class 6 to 12. So after seeing the video, if you have any doubts, you can contact the mail ID given at the end. If you want math tuition also, you can contact the mail ID and get the details. In this video, we will see NCERT mathematics for grade 10, first chapter, real numbers. So we will see 1.1 introduction. So in this, they have explained two algorithms. First one is Euclid division algorithm. Second one is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. First one, Euclid division algorithm is if any two integers a divided by b, after division it will give you a remainder, and this remainder will be less than the divisor b. So this can also be performed by long division method, but performing this using Euclid division algorithm is easier and we will get the result faster when compared to the long division method. This method or this algorithm is used in many applications. Second one is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. That is, we can represent any composite number as the product of prime numbers. What do you mean by composite number? Any number which has factors other than 1. What are called as prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers which is divisible by 1 and the number itself. The numbers other than the prime numbers we call it as a composite numbers. So any composite number can be represented as the product of prime numbers. So this is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. In 1.2 we will see the fundamental theorem of arithmetic in detail. So this states that every composite number can be expressed as the product of prime numbers. And this factorization will be unique and it will not depend upon the order of the prime factor. So before going into this theorem in detail, we will see what is prime number. The number that is divisible by 1 and the number itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, all the prime numbers. So these numbers are divisible only by 1 and the number itself. The numbers other than the prime numbers we call it as a composite numbers. These composite numbers will have more than one factors. Example 4. 4 is divisible by 2. It is divisible by again 4. 6 is divisible by 2, 3. So if it has more than one factor, then we call it as a composite number. In general, we can write x is equal to p1, p2, etc. up to pn, where p1, p2, p3 are the prime factors, and we can write it in the ascending order, p1 less than or equal to p2 less than or equal to etc. up to pn. For example, consider 32,760. So if I perform the factorization, I will get 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3 into 5 into 7. So this 2, 3, 5, 7 are all called as prime factors. So P1, P2, P3. So this is written in the ascending order. That is P1 is less than or equal to P2, less than or equal to P3, less than or equal to P4. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can contact the mail ID mentioned this video in mathtutor1502@gmail.com. If you want math tuition, you can also contact the same mail ID. The tuition will be taken in two languages. One is Tamil, another one is English. Thank you all.